The latency lie. We've been lied to about the AI revolution. We were promised agents that could actually do things, book flights, manage our calendars, control our homes. But in reality, we're just stuck in a glorified chat box. You ask your phone to dim the lights, and your data travels 2,000 miles to a server farm in Oregon, just to send a command back to the bulb 5 feet away. It's slow, it's expensive, and it's frankly, stupid. But last week, Google quiet dropped something that changes the entire architecture of the internet. It's called FunctionGemma. It's 270 million parameters, tiny enough to run on a toaster, and its only job is to be the hands of your AI. Today, we're doing a technical deep dive into why this tiny model is the final nail in the coffin for the chatbot era, and how it enables the agentic edge. The tech, the 270 parameter sniper. Most people think bigger is better. They're wrong. In agentic workflows, a giant model is a liability. It's slow to pre-fill and hallucinates JSON schemas. FunctionGemma is built on the Gemma 3 architecture, specifically the 270 MI version, the secret sauce. Unlike general models, FunctionGemma is trained on formatting control tokens. It doesn't guess where a bracket goes. It's hardwired to recognize API boundaries. The latency. On a Pixel 7 Pro, we're seeing 1000 times 16 tokens Docker sec pre-fill. That's nearly instant. The vocabulary. It uses a massive 256K token vocabulary. That means it can read complex API documentation in fewer chunks, making it faster and more accurate than models twice its size. The traffic controller paradigm. This is the ruthless reality for developers. If you are routing every turn off the lights request to a cloud model, you are burning money. Google is introducing the traffic controller paradigm. Level 1, the edge. FunctionGemma lives on your device, it listens. 2. The filter. If you say schedule a meeting, FunctionGemma handles it locally. 0 cost. 0 data leak. 3. The escalation. Only when you ask something complex, like analyze this 100-page PDF, and find the legal discrepancies. Does FunctionGemma escalate the task to the cloud? Gemini 1.5. This is exactly like the Lego group turnaround. In the late 90s, Lego almost went bankrupt because they had too many unique parts. They survived by standardizing. FunctionGemma is the standardized connector for the AI world. Now, for the researchers watching, the base model's accuracy on mobile actions is around 58%. In the AI world, that's a D-. But here's the unlock, the tuning lab. Google released a no-code tool that lets you feed the model your own API schemas. The result? With just 1,000 examples, that accuracy jumps to 85% plus. The competitor kill. It is currently outperforming Llama 3.21b in specific tool calling tasks, despite being a fraction of the size. Where does this go? FinTech. Local agents that can scan your banking CSVs and generate reports without your financial data ever touching a server. Autonomous orchestration. Imagine a swarm of these tiny models in a data center, each one specialized, one for cooling optimization, one for rack health, one for traffic routing. The era of talking to AI is ending. The era of AI acting is here. If you're a developer or a founder still building wrappers around cloud APIs, FunctionGemma is your wake-up call. The edge isn't coming. It's already on your phone. I've dropped the links to the tuning lab and the technical documentation in the description. Go break something. If you want to see how this fits into the Seedance 2.0 cinematic engine I covered last week, click here. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next deep dive.